Hello, I'm Danny Legowelt. Here's a tip for the Novation Peak, and the tip is called More Fun with Envelopes, envelope generators. The Novation Peak has a lot of envelope generators. Well, it has three, one for the amp and two mod envelopes, but you can assign these three to anything using the modulation matrix. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do some interesting stuff with the envelope generator. First of all, I'm gonna show a negative envelope here assigned to the filter. So a lot of time people don't use the negative envelope because it's confusing what actually happens, but basically it inverts the envelope a little bit, so you can make effects like this that are kind of like springy or something, or like with a little bump in it. See, if I put it on positive now, it's more like usual, like more acidic, but if I put it on negative, you get like a weird thing. But the cool thing about the Peak is that you can assign both envelope generators on the same thing. So I can put it on the filter, the second envelope on the filter too. So we go to the modulation matrix, and then here mod env 2, and I choose the filter frequency, and I put it positive. So mod envelope 1 is doing a negative envelope on the filter, and mod env 2 is doing a positive envelope on the filter. So in theory we should get like a more advanced, almost 8-stage envelope on the filter. See that they're kind of both fighting to control the filter, but the real fun thing is in the envelope generator menu here is that you can loop the envelopes. And so if we loop envelope 2, it loops the envelope really fast. And we can change the hold time here and make it a little bit longer. And if we put the repeat on 1, it will only repeat it one more time, and then you can really make an extended long envelope. Because then the first envelope generator is overridden by the second one, if we program it right, of course. But then so this is kind of a way to expand the function of the envelope generators a little bit more than the usual ADSR. But yeah, if you experiment a little bit more with it, I'm sure you can do some interesting stuff with it, because you can assign these envelopes on everything, basically almost everything. Yeah, like you can put it on the pitch or on the shape amount or whatever, you know, so you can go really deep with that. Yeah, so this was the tip, having fun with envelopes on the Novation Peak.